Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to draw a super cute and colorful scooter. First, draw headlight. Draw the handlebar at the top. Make it curved and add a small circle for the grip. Start by drawing the scooter's body. Begin with a curved line for the front and back of the scooter. Now draw the seat on top of the body using an oval shape. Now wheel cup. Add a large semicircle for the front wheel. Add a heart or any fun shape to the side of the scooter to give it a personal touch. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Let's bring our scooter to life with bright and beautiful colors. Let's start with the body. Use pink to color the scooter's body. Take your time and make it neat. Next, grab your yellow and color the seat. Doesn't it look bright and cheerful? For the headlight, use a mix of blue and yellow to make it colorful and shiny. Now, let's move to the wheel cups. Use purple for the front wheel cup. Orange for the back one. For both wheels, use blue to make them stand out. They look so cool. Finally, grab your red marker and color the heart. It adds a lovely touch. Your scooter is almost ready. Your scooter looks amazing and full of colors. See you next time. Bye bye.